Hello, my name is Elizabeth Hill, and I'm the Community Programs Coordinator for the Great Falls Public Schools Foundation. Today, we will be learning about how to apply for grants in the website for the Great Falls Public Schools Foundation. After you choose the Apply Now button, you'll be brought to this login page where you will need to either create an account or log in with your existing account information. Then you will be brought to the summary page of all the grants that we offer through the foundation. As a reminder, the mini grants are on a rolling basis throughout the year, and there are certain grants that are available only from December 1st through January 31st, such as the Learning Enhancement and Community Collaboration grants and the Immersive Professional Learning grants. The main tip that we will be talking about today is if you are concerned, worried, or unsure of what you will need to do or prepare or think about before starting your application, choose this preview button. Then you'll be brought to the page with an overview of the grant application. It will have an explanation of the grant as well as what questions will be asked. As you can see, after you put in your contact information, you'll be asked to fill in some short answer questions, 100 to 200 words or less. And as you can see, they're fairly short answers, and we try to make it as simple and easy process as possible. Then you can go down and see the budgets, where you can put in what items you will need for your grant. So it's fairly simple and straightforward. We hope this is helpful. Please reach out to Michelle if you have any questions about the application process or what you should do or not do. Be sure to make sure that you have talked with your administrator or principal before applying for the grant. This is very important. We can't wait to see what you come up with. We so appreciate all your hard work. Thank you so much, teachers and staff, and hope you have a wonderful day.